All right, here we have an exponential equation and the bases are not the same. So we want to think, can we rewrite 625 as 25 to some power, right? So I would start with 25 squared. Check and see, use your calculator. What's 25 squared? Hey, it's 625, right? That's kind of cool that that works out. So I can bring down 25 to the x like it is, and I can rewrite 625 with what it's equal to. It's equal to 25 squared. Now the bases are the same, and that means the exponents are equal. So I'm going to sort of ignore the bases and just write the exponent part. X is equal to 2. That's the answer to this question. That is the solution to this problem. Now, I want to show you if you didn't think of 625 could be 25 squared. I mean, that's okay. I didn't think of it initially either. Let me show you a table. This is just a table of different powers. So let me erase this writing. And notice, like, there's 25 and there's 625, right? Those are the two numbers we're working with. They're both here under the 5. And so that helps us to see, like, this is 5 squared and this is 5 to the 4th, right? So we could have rewritten this as both of those powers sort of reduced or simplified. Let me show you what I mean. Let me erase all this little extra now that's confusing. Okay, so we have 25 to the x equals 625. But we could rewrite both of them as a base of 5. So 25 is the same as 5 squared, and that's raised to the x power, so 2x. And we just saw that 625 is 5 to the 4th power. So if you want to double check that on your calculator, type in 5 squared, you should see 25, type in 5 to the 4th, and you should see 625. Okay, so now the bases are the same. That means the exponents are equal. So 2x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals 2, which is what we got the other way. So it doesn't matter which way you do it. They both work. I hope that was helpful for you. See you next time.